Hello and welcome to another video, guys. This is Abhishek and you're watching Gadget Freak. So today we are going to unbox a new gaming beast, which is an Asus ROG Strix series. So this laptop is basically the new in line for the Asus gaming laptops. Previous generation was Asus TUF series, and this is a ROG series, which has a definite big specifications at the start. It's a G531G model number. It has a 4 GB of graphic card, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB of hard disk, and 256 GB of SSD. So that's a pretty big specifications it has. So what we'll do here is we'll unbox the laptop. We have just ordered it from an online store, and you are getting pretty amazing deal on this laptop as it has a wonderful specs plus a great price range. So if you're looking for a laptop below 70k, then this is a perfect laptop for your gaming plus editing purposes. So opening the laptop, you will see that there is a hinge given on which you can pull and the laptop will pop up. Then you can just remove the laptop from the box and you can see the ROG eye on the back screen of the laptop. Oh, it's a massive and heavy laptop. There you go. Okay, so keeping that on the side, we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, the middle compartment has on the few leaflets which shows ROG Strix, the user manuals and everything. So let's see on the side. Okay, the left side has a charger on a oh, that's a pretty huge charger. As you can see, there's a ROG eye on this as well. It looks pretty nice. It's a 20-volt charger, 7.5 ampere. That's a huge power brick. But keeping it aside, let's see on the right hand side. Oh, that's empty. Okay, so we'll get straight into the laptop now. Okay, so turning it upside down, you can see there's a massive air flow given on the bottom side, and okay, so as you can see, there's a ROG written on the bottom side also, with highlighting in between the these fins. You can see. Okay, it's a heavy laptop first of all. Oh, it has a very different finish on the top as well. It's on one side. Okay, so as you can see, there's a Windows 10 pre-installed in this laptop. There's genuine Windows. Then ROG written on the downside. Okay, completely matte black color. Okay, this white color, you can see the strip. It's a RGB lighting strip given. On the left hand side, you will find 3 USB port and a headphone jack connector. There's no SD card connector given on this laptop, to be specific. No front side ports. On the right side also there's nothing given. So rest of the ports you will have on the back end side. So but first you will see this massive fan intake compartment which blows the air inside, and the red color part, as you can see, one for the graphic and another for the CPU, which blows the air out from the laptop. So there's a Ethernet port as well as a HDMI port and the power connector. This laptop is really looking nice. The looks, oh, the screen, as you can see, there's a ROG Strix naming batching on the screen on the bottom side. The keypad looks massive. Power button is also a different shape. That looks nice. There's a ESL edition. So there is no numpad key on this laptop, to be accurate, as many people might use the numpad key, but there is no numpad key on this laptop. You have to purchase differently. So there's an i5 processor, 9th generation processor in this laptop, and a GTX 1650 on this laptop. So we'll just turn it on. Oh, can you hear that sound? Republic of Gamers. So it has a SSD inside for the booting purposes, so it will be pretty much fast. Oh, as you can see, the keypad has already light up with the RGB lighting, and on the side as well, the laptop completely covers the RGB lighting. That looks pretty amazing. I think there are a few settings also inside which can change and keep one lights as well. The four keys WASD for games and all are given in a transparent color, so you can feel the color accuracy while using for gaming. So I'm just setting up my laptop. All the Windows prompts, the Cortana is coming up. Help for your digital assistants. Okay, accept. Choose browser setting on your device. Okay, accept. Okay, the Cortana, I think so it's ready for my PC to boot up. Okay, it's done almost. The screen has a very thin bezel. It looks so classic. Okay, so the booting up of my laptop is all done, and the first prompt you'll get for Geforce experience login for your gaming purposes. So this laptop is basically, you can use it for high to medium settings, 1080p gaming plus editing purposes. So it also shows you have 256 GB of SSD and 1 terabyte of physical hard drive. It has genuine Windows 10. Also the graphic card is of 4 GB, 1650, the newer generation RTX graphic card. So that's pretty much for the laptop. You can use it for any heavy task. It will sustain all the heavy tasks for gaming as well as editing purposes. Okay, I'll give you more information on this laptop in my description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.